most essential ingredient in a healthy free market is competition.
That is why it is a necessary ingredient in the kind of justice we need on the Supreme Court. Most important ingredient in good schools. That is the ingredient which has been missing in far too many places for far too long. And parents, I want you to stay on them because that is an absolutely critical ingredient for their success. Which brings me to the last ingredient in a functioning democracy, one that's perhaps most basic and has already been mentioned, and that is participation. The most important ingredient is you. Students who raised your sights, who aimed high, who invested yourselves in your own success. Getting that done is an essential ingredient in spurring economic growth over the short run. And much of this process of debating what might be done to prevent such tragedies in the future is an essential ingredient in our exercise of self-government. That's what's the most important ingredient for our success. That has to be a critical ingredient in success. And when giving our children the best education possible, we know is the ingredient for success in this new information and technology-rich economy, how can we be laying off teachers when other countries are hiring teachers in droves? It's unfair to our kids. We've got to make sure that we are supporting our teachers, because they are the most critical ingredient in a school.
I call it the extra ingredient.
The one ingredient that we know makes an enormous difference is a great teacher. And we have 4 of the best teachers in the country. So the essential ingredient to real and lasting stability and progress is not less democracy, it's more democracy.